Cadet Private Terion Glover.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Magpakilala ka, Private.
Sir, Private Terion Labo, 1st Marine, 3rd Battalion Brigade.
Do you know me, Private?
Sir, yes, sir.
So, who am I, Private?
Sir, you are Sergeant Major, Marine Corps, Aniceto Macua Jr. Aye, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
What is a salute meaning, Private?
Salute. Salute is the highest form of military courtesy. Aye, sir.
Wow.
Very good, Private. Kung kilala mo talaga ako, what is my favorite food, Private?
Your favorite food is underwear. Sir, aye, sir.
God damn it, Private. Anong underwear? Give it 10, Private.
Sir, yes, sir.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Sir, been done, sir.
Alam mo ba kung anong posisyon ko, Private?
Sir, aye, sir.
Then, what is my position, Private?
Paluhod, sir. Aye, sir.
What? Saan gago? Give it 10.
Sir, aye, sir.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Sir, done, sir.
Gago ka, no? Tinanong kita kanina, what is my favorite food? Then you answered me underwear. And I asked you, what is my position? You answered paluhod. Ang gagago ka ba, Private?
No, sir.
Then, explain it to me, Private.
Sir, narinig ko po kayo na nag-uusap sa barracks ni Corporal Dael. Narinig ko po na sinabi niyo sa kanya, hubarin mo na yung underwear mo, kakainin ko na yan. Kaya inisip ko, sir, na yun po ang iyong favorite food. At narinig ko rin po na sinabi ni Corporal sa inyo, sir, saan po? Ang sagot niyo po, paluhod ang posisyon ko. Kaya inisip ko po, sir, na yun po ang posisyon niyo dito sa kampo. Sir.
Bukod sa gago ko, isa rin chismoso, Private, eh, no? Ayoko lumabas yung issue na yan, ha? You will keep it as a secret. God damn it. Do you understand me, Private?
Sir, aye, sir.
Dismiss!
Sir, thank you, sir.